Hello, Subaru. Hey! You're just in my way, dude. I'm being a shark, dude. Got him. Don't brake check me, motherfucker. Hello, Subaru. Hey. 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 Look at that. This is what City Park. And there's a boat. Laura's gay Ford. That makes great noise. Yo, Keith, I'm gonna push your car in. Life jackets. Of course, I had to come in here with the GoPro as usual. Look at that. Welcome to Harrisburg. Yeah? Yeah, not afraid your car's gonna roll back in? No. E-brake. Yeah, I put my e-brake on too. It's like reversing here. I know I'm gonna fucking slide down a little bit. Yep. All right, I'm gonna get out of your way. Sorry about that. I'll push around a little bit. Rev it up. Can you put it back on? Why? Oh, everybody was waiting in anticipation. How could you do this to us? Hello, hello, hello! How are you? What's up? Cut through the whole way. Yeah, it is cut through. I just bolted it here and down here. Damn. Yeah, you had that thing removed. It was loud. I was like, I told you. What the fuck? You drove by me at Sheets. I went like deaf. I was like, fuck. I was actually on my way to pick that up. But you surprised me. You put it back on. I was like, shit. Yeah. Everybody here was... If someone had the bolt or the correct fucking tool, I could take it off. Cars and cars and cars and bridges and cars and water and cars and cars and water and bridges.
Damn, did you crazy mother...
You know I got to. Look, they're all taking pictures. I'm just gonna walk in front of them. Don't give a fuck. You peeing? Let me get the camera. Yo, the snow truck's coming. You're gonna get buried, dude. No, look, the snow truck's fucking. I could have sworn to God the snow truck's on the way. He's gonna get fucking buried while he's taking a piss. Then he's gonna fucking freeze and he's gonna fucking show up in the spring like a fucking caveman with his dick out in his hand. Drip, 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 drip. For converting it to a Lambo moped?
I did not put it on that thing.
Just, it got hot, that's why.
Really?
Heat makes things
No,
expand.
there's no way this got hot.
Dude, it's a muffler. Yeah, it got hot.
In here, this isn't hot. This thing isn't hot. That is.
I'm glad I got that on video. Who brought this? Get my coffee. I'm Tarzan. You're Jane. Always wear your life jacket. Cold water kills because life jackets suddenly make you warm.
Don't let this bitch stand up. I have to give him a socket to take it back.
Oh, there's the Stang. Stang. Everybody watch out. There's a Mustang here. Get ready to like jump out of the way.
I'm just worried I'm not going to be able to get my intake in time because I have to sign for it.
Oh shit, open hood.
I have to sign for it. Wait in time for like when UPS gets it.
Open hood puts me in a good mood. Look at this. It even says no touchy touchy. No touchy. Oh, that's a nice eBay kit right there. Whose car is this?
The one kid in the gray beanies.
The box says 10 horsepower.
I need to get some DS1
Oh, 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 look at that. It has a thing that goes.
By the end of the week, I'm probably going to be pushing like 250.
Grab here. Grab here. This ain't. Don't grab the pipe. Grab this. It's not that hot. Wow. Just lift it up. Yeah. Don't move that bolt.
I'm not going to. Not it.
It's like watching two monkeys trying to operate a fucking space shuttle. It's great. See, he's taking the pipe off now so that when he goes under the bridge, he will rev it and then the bridge will fucking collapse around him.
What kind of moped is it anyway?
Matrix 2.
Matrix 2?
Matrix
Who
2.
makes it?
Matrix.
Oh, Matrix? This isn't that
Get
hot.
ready to hold it up and try to fall. Oh, I just said the F word. I meant to put that out.
What's up?
I just said the F word.
Oh, you just said the F word? That's okay, that's gonna make you sure. Everybody will know. Your mom, your girlfriend. You
You don't
kiss
put,
your mom?
you don't put swearing in your...
What?
You don't put swearing in your video?
Oh, a fuck ton of it. Yeah, I do.
Oh, there you go.
Huh?
From your... Like, I was... Oh!
Is it hot? Bro,
No,
Jacob just said,
I
don't
know
drop
it's
it.
hot, I just want to touch
You
it.
just dropped my bowl.
You want to put it in my trunk?
No. It's gonna burn whatever.
Alright, this is a very monstrous creation that you don't want to be near right now. I don't want to be near it right now. I'm gonna go deaf. See, you hear this quiet? It sounds like you're riding a John Deere. Break the glass on Keith's car. Oh, it's Andrew! I could see you from a mile away. That's how I knew to get the GoPro ready.
Oh.
Yeah, your jacket, dude.
Yeah,
it's like the fucking Sun
I wanna be cold.
Sun 2.0. I love your car. This guy loves your car. Look at him. He's got a wicked smile on his face. Like, yeah! Yo, it's a beautiful machine. Show him the antenna. It's got like erectile dysfunction. It's great.
Antenna and it's not working right now.
The box says 10 horsepower. Yeah, Andrew's car is great, dude. It's like 30 fucking years old, this piece of shit.
The intake is the, yeah, what is good? The perceived thing.
V8 3000.
Right? I had the weirdest phone thing.
This shit is fucking retarded, so I gotta fucking buy all sorts of prices and shit. Fucking do vacuum lines and all that crap. And
Fucking shit.
Let me take pictures. You got a model for it. You got a model with it. You gotta be like,
the fuck, man?
no, it's fine. I didn't sit on it. I didn't put all my weight on it.
Single files around the fucking head to the side here.
Me first. What's
All
up?
right. Underneath there, you'll start to see conduit that's used for fucking tubing.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah.
I'll hold it since I got.
No, I don't. That's awesome, dude. But she snapped the flanges off. She bucked it so hard that she fucking just ripped the flange off of it. Go!
Look at that. Cars and cars and cars. Watch somebody gonna fucking drop their phone.
Won't even say that. Yeah, stop playing.
Look at acoustic ability being a dickhole over there. Just chilling. I got my GoPro, I'm walking around, I'm wearing orange so I can drown. Suddenly all the police cars unlock and like 20 officers come out like, get the fuck out, put your hands up, touch your dick.
Is he touching dick?
Touch your dick, I'm gonna handcuff it to your face, motherfucker.
Wow, I'm not stressed that far. I'm impressed.
How about, can we just do everybody on 3?
Wait, hold on, video.
Ready?
Panic on 3.
1, 2, 3. Ah!
Fuck you, Subaru!
Oh my god. Get that on video. No! We gotta go. We really gotta go.
Yo.
That was the stupidest fucking thing.
Who is it?
Did you get a video that's right on?
Yo, I'm gonna get out of here before they think we're fucking with cop cars. Oh, look at that shit. We can steal Acoustic Ability's car. Oh, he's got the wrenches Jacob wish he had. Among other things. Push him in the water. Yeah, that's cool. You could like see fish in there probably. Push it into the water. That is actually really cool. Yeah. Now he's gonna put it in drive, right? Put it in drive. Put it in one. Whoa! I almost fell in.